Is the Samyang AF 35mm F2.8, which is autofocus lens. It just means just put on your Sony camera, any Sony camera. Yes, even you can use on a APS-C. Yeah, after that you know the time 1.5. It's like 35mm just time 1.5. So I bought it for full frame. 35mm is around like 17mm in micro four third, if you wanna know that. So yeah, and then just 1 minute. My math is not that good. Let me just give you the answer. Okay, like 35mm divided by 1.5 for the APS-C, it will be like 23mm in the APS-C, like A6400, A6600, and 35mm divided by 2 will be like 17.5mm in the micro four third round. Okay, what about, you will be asking, Jimmy Talas in the Canon is like divided by 1.62. It will be like 21mm, which will be like equivalent to 22mm like F2.8 lumpus lens for the FE mount. So yeah, I think so that is enough for the explaining the focal range. And then let me just open the lens. Okay, here we go. Here's the lens. There's some documents. Okay, I will not take that one out. Let me just close the box. Put the box aside. And then let me take out the lens. Okay, the lens is tiny, but it's not pancake. Okay, I mean, I think so. You need a smaller one. I mean, I don't know. You need I don't know what size of the thread you need for this one. Anyway, okay, this lens is made in Korea. Okay, this is I just opened. I don't wanna. This is just the hood, to be honest with you. So yeah, this is the hood. As you can see, this is the hood. The hood is also tiny. Let me take out my Sony camera. Let me remove it, and then here we go. Is this small? Is this really pancake? No, I was thinking it should be like here. It's not that small. Okay, but what about, let me remove the hood. And it's also not small. As you can see, there's a screw thread. Again, it's better just put the hood on. Let me just turn it on. Let me put in auto. Remove the front. Can it focus or not? Yeah, it's gonna focus. Let me just show you. As you can see, yeah, it's gonna focus. It's autofocus. So now let me just go out and capture some images with it, and then there will be a video. And don't forget to subscribe.
Plans telling me that I have 2 weeks to leave her. She telling me 2 weeks she leaving me. It make her too weak to speak to me. But she said fortnight, 14 days. She says to me, Jane, no write out lines, white outlines, and just freestyle whatever on your mind at the time. So I'm asking her like, why you crying? And not lying. What I need to give, I'm flying back to where I live. And girl, I know to you it seem hard, but Uncle Sam want me out in country cause I don't possess no green card. No hurricane couldn't stop me. And apparently all the what's in the world must have shocked me. Cause I keep saying no single and alone. And not even a mingle when the home skin a tingle. When I ring you on the phone, you have to hand it to me. Read the future good, it mandatory. You understand the stories.
My baby
just fresh up out a yard, right back to the metropolis. I feel up on top of this, you understand. The countryman with contraband in Amsterdam, damn, that's the plan. Right down to a T, front S, me left a key with a name, she know what me. Me used to have her at me yard for repeat. Now she dey abroad in my sweet, you know see it. Kiss on lips, no hello when we greet. Reach a level where devil put no heat and dry ice when I cool down. Dry cries when I fool round. In her eyes, lot of truth now. So much fights have been through though. Till I sight when she moved through. No, it's right, need no proof, no. And so, not to mention what lay up in her brain. Hate to see you on a plane, but you gotta do your thing, maintain.
This is the video quality on the Sony A7 1080p. How good is the video quality? You need to be the judge. Yeah, how good is the video quality? Again, you need to be the judge. Let me bring the camera to me. So yeah, recording with the Sony A7 35mm 2.8 lens. You need to be the judge. How good is the video quality? This is the video test on the Sony A7. How good is the video quality? This is the video recording on the Sony A7. You need to be the judge. How good is the video quality? Yes, you need to be the judge. How good is the video quality? Let me do the walking test. How good is the video stabilizer? So yeah, make sure to subscribe, and I hope you like the video. Sorry, 1440p on the Sony A7, which is better than the 1080p, but it's not like 4K. How good is the video quality? And how good is the stabilizer and my focus, and how good is the audio recording with the 35mm Samyang lens? Yeah, so how good is the video quality? You need to be the judge. Hand holding. Recording on the Sony A7, you need to be the judge. How good is the autofocus and how good is the video quality? Sony A7 with the Samyang 35mm.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي